Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video, and I'm super excited for this video, you guys, because it's another collab video, and this collab is with my girl Sophia. Sophia and I actually went to college together. She's on YouTube by the name of PurpByTheCurl. She does natural hair videos. You know what I'm saying? She gets you slayed on that natural hair. So this collab is going to be the yin and yang, Wigiana versus Naturalisa, honey. Okay, the same style, but one's with a wig and one's with natural hair. Like, come on, sis. We got it for everybody. Everybody can win, okay? Everybody can get their little style. You know what I'm saying? And this is a closure wig, so it's even better because it's like, girl, you styled your closure wig. Yeah, I did, girl, like a frontal. Period. So before we get into my tutorial, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. And make sure you go check out Sophia, aka PurpByTheCurl's video, and tell her that Reese LaFleur sent you. See you guys in my next watching this tutorial, guys. Hey guys, so let's get into the style. It wasn't until like this moment I decided I'm gonna do a talk through tutorial. This is my closure wig from TINASHE hair, and as I said in my intro, I'm pairing up with PurpByTheCurl, and we are going to be doing the same hairstyle. She's doing the natural version. I do the Wigiana version. Okay, Naturalisa, Wigiana, don't matter what kind of hair you got. This style works for both. So I've already reapplied my wig. So I'm just gonna actually brush everything back, comb everything backwards. That's the closure. Ooh, don't bring that piece up. So I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to part this down the middle, all the way down to the end of the closure. So I'm gonna start parting on this side of the closure, and this is just to hide any tracks or anything like that. So I'm parting off this first section, and I'm just going to start prepping this so that we can go ahead and rubber band it. So I went looking for my water bottle, but for some super odd reason I can't find it, which is really fun. Okay, so I've got a rubber band around my finger, and I'm just going to grab this here. You want to make sure it's as smooth as possible in the rubber band. You don't want it to have any bumps or lumps. And then we're just going to go ahead and rubber band it. Be careful if you're like me and you have really long nails. Just take your time, sis. Because this is going to like be in a crisscross way, we're going to go ahead and pin this side down, and whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. On the track. I look crazy right now. Okay, so back to the other side. And then we're going to start to go ahead and crisscross them. So the next one that you take, you have to connect it to the one that's diagonal from it. Okay, so now that I've completed all of these crisscrosses, I think it looks pretty cool. I feel like once you add, of course we'll add some designs and stuff to it. I feel like once you add that, it kind of brings out the style a little bit more, especially since it has to be really closed and tight because this is a closure. But I think like the design is cool, kind of gives you that like that wicker basket kind of look. I like it. I mean, it's not as neat as I would want it to be, but I can't find my water. But what I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of brushing out, and also what I did was I put the last one together and I kind of tied it back with the track that's back here so it would lay flat and it wouldn't give you that like half up, half down, like just sticking up in the air kind of thing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just go ahead and brush this out, and then we're going to add some pretty wand curls to it. And I feel like that'll also liven up the style a little bit. So once that is done, honey, we got these two pieces. I'm just going to bring them back here so I don't mix them up. And I'm just going to start to wand curl my hair. I like them, I want them to be big. I don't want them to be too tight. So I'm going to do about this size. And then of course you just wrap the hair around. You hold for a few seconds. Catch the curl, hold it up, and then drop. There you go. And you just repeat that step throughout. Okay, so I finished curling and I'm kind of annoyed with this piece right here because I had it to the side and now it doesn't want to like stay down. And what you can really do is just tie a scarf over it. So what I'm going to do now is just going to go in and I'm just going to tease out these curls. Make them a little bigger, a little wild. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add some fun to our little rubber bands, and we're gonna add our little accessories. These are usually the accessories that people add on their braids. So, y'all, the style is pretty much done. I love how this came out, guys. What do you guys think?